Are you looking for the best outdoor fireplaces? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor fireplaces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sunjoy Steel Outdoor Fireplace with Chimney. The Sunjoy Outdoor Fireplace offers a great way to enjoy fires safely and comfortably. Its chimney directs smoke and ash upward, keeping the air clear around you and making your fire time more pleasant. The 2 mesh doors come with locking latches, helping prevent sparks from flying out and giving you easy access to tend the fire safely. You'll appreciate the side shelves and storage space below for keeping your firewood neatly organized and close at hand. Plus, cleaning is simple thanks to the removable grate and ash pan, so you can spend less time on cleanup and more time relaxing by your fire. What we like: effective smoke control chimney, mesh screen safety doors, side shelf and log storage, removable grate and ash pan. Number 2. Sunjoy Heavy Duty Patio Wood Burning Fireplace. The Sunjoy Outdoor Fireplace is an elegant and sturdy addition to any outdoor patio or backyard. Its rust-resistant powder-coated steel and manufactured stone construction gives it a stylish appearance. The fireplace features mesh screen doors with a locking latch for easy access and safety from flying embers. Its large chimney provides superior exhaust control, effectively directing smoke and ash up and away. Assembly is made easy with illustrated instructions and helpful customer service. This fireplace measures 35.43 L x 23.62 W x 56.69 H and weighs 319.67 pounds. What we like: sturdy and stylish construction, functional doors and chimney for safety and efficient ventilation, easy assembly with helpful customer service. Number 3. EROMMY 57-inch Tile Finish Outdoor Fireplace. The EROMMY Outdoor Fireplace is a sturdy and stylish addition to your backyard or patio. Its steel frame with natural stone tile finish offers long-lasting durability and an elegant look. Safety is a priority, with mesh doors to keep sparks contained, a chimney that directs smoke away from your face, a stable base to prevent tipping, and a fire poker that helps you manage the fire safely. Cleaning is simple thanks to a removable ash pan, and the included rain cover protects the fireplace from weather damage. Plus, it comes with a cooking grate, so you can enjoy roasting marshmallows or grilling right on the fire. What we like: durable steel and stone build, multiple safety features, removable ash pan for easy cleaning, includes cooking grate, weather-resistant rain cover. Number 4. Qsoer Outdoor Fireplace with Chimney and Wood Storage. The Qsoer Outdoor Fireplace offers a durable design made from high-quality metal with a heat-resistant powder coating, ensuring it withstands high temperatures while adding charm to your patio. Its detachable bottom and built-in wood storage box make adding fuel simple and keep your wood dry for continuous warmth. Safety is enhanced with a lockable fire door that stops sparks from flying out, while the chimney design improves airflow, reducing smoke near your seating area and helping the fire burn more efficiently. Plus, it comes with helpful accessories like heat-resistant gloves, a fire poker, and a grill mesh, making it easy and safe to enjoy outdoor fires and grilling. What we like: durable metal construction, built-in wood storage, lockable fire door, efficient chimney airflow, includes safety accessories. Number 5. Eagle Peak 50,000 BTU Outdoor Propane Fireplace. The Eagle Peak Propane Fireplace offers a powerful 50,000 BTU output with an adjustable flame, allowing you to easily set the perfect warmth for your patio or backyard gatherings. Its design includes a large hearth that spreads heat evenly, keeping you comfortable while you enjoy the open fire feel. The propane tank is cleverly stored in a side compartment, giving the fireplace a clean and tidy appearance. Plus, the ceramic log adds a realistic wood look while producing a clean, smoke-free flame, so you can enjoy the beauty of fire without worrying about ash or soot buildup. What we like: adjustable high heat output, integrated propane tank storage, smoke-free ceramic log flames, even heat distribution.